Halo guys, welcome back to my video. Yeay. Di video kali ini aku mau berbagi tips cara aku menyembunyikan jerawat dan bekas-bekas jerawat aku. So, jangan kemana-mana ya, tetap stay tune terus di video ini dan jangan di skip.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
itu tadi video yang udah aku bikin supaya menghempaskan jerawat-jerawat aku untuk sementara. Kalau lagi liburan gitu, aku suka menyembunyikan mereka di balik makeup. Jadi buat kalian yang suka video ini, jangan lupa klik tombol subscribe, like, dan juga komen ya. Makasih yang udah mau nonton. See you on the next video.